Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix CapCut animation not showing. If your text animation in CapCut seems like it is not appearing at all, the issue is often much simpler than it looks. In many cases, the animation is actually there, but it is playing so quickly that it becomes hard to notice. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the settings that help make the animation visible again. To begin, open the CapCut app and load the project where you're having the animation issue. Once you're inside the project, look for the sample text or the text layer that already has animation applied to it. Tap on that text so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut only shows the editing controls for the layer you currently have highlighted. After selecting the text, move your attention to the top right area of the screen and tap on the animation option. This will open the animation settings for that text layer. If the animation is already applied but seems invisible during playback, this is the place where you can usually fix it. Now look for the duration setting. This is the key part of the solution. If the duration is set too short, the animation can happen so fast that it looks like nothing is showing. Adjust the duration to slow it down so the reveal becomes more noticeable. As you increase the duration, the animation should play more gradually, making it easier to see when the text enters or appears on screen. Take your time while adjusting this setting. It can help to preview the animation after each small change so you can find a speed that looks natural. A slightly slower animation often gives a cleaner and more polished result, especially for text that needs to be readable. If the animation looked like it was missing before, slowing down the duration will usually make the effect visible again. This is especially useful when working with reveal-style animations, where timing plays a big role in whether the effect is obvious or barely noticeable. Once you're happy with the speed, play the clip back from the start to confirm the animation now appears the way you want. If needed, make a few more small adjustments until the motion feels smooth and clear. That's all it takes to fix this issue in many cases. By selecting the animated text, opening the animation settings, and increasing the duration, you can make an animation that seemed hidden become visible again.